Welcome to the first instalment of Restorate's Clean, Revive and Restore series. In this episode, we're going to be looking at how we recommend to clean antique furniture without damaging it. So before we started this blog and this video, we looked up on Google what's already there when you Google how to clean an antique, and it came up with vinegar, bicarbonate soda, lemon juice, all this kind of stuff. If you do any of that, you could ruin a really lovely piece in seconds and cost you thousands in restoration bills to try and get it sorted. So the main thing is being as gentle as possible straight out the box. So if the antique is, say, a little bit dusty, just use a feather duster or a cotton duster just to remove the dust. Later on, you can use a coloured wax or a clear wax just to add a bit of colour or restore the sheen on the item. If you've just had a dinner party and there's bits of grease and food on the table, what you can do is literally just use the dishcloth but only very little moisture in it. So what we really recommend with antiques is to try the least invasive action first, because what you can so easily do with any chemicals, or even if you look on Google, it recommends you use vinegar or bicarbonate of soda or linseed oil. You can cause lasting damage to the antique, which you'll rack up lots of bills with antique restorers trying to fix. If you use harsh chemicals or dish soap in large quantities, it can really disrupt the surface of the antique, whether it be a chair, chest of drawers, or dining room table as we've got here. So a really good product, if the surface of any bit of furniture is really dirty, you don't want to affect the finish, you don't really know what's on it, then a great product to use would be this Vulpex, which is from Pie Crater, who make Renaissance wax. Now, with this stuff, you can mix it, it's highly concentrated, so you mix it 1 to 10 with water in a little pot, and it is non-corrosive, it's really gentle, and is fantastic for removing any fats, dirt, etc. without harming the finish. So again, a very lightly damp cloth with this included will remove any surface dirt. And then if you dry it immediately, allow it to dry naturally so there's no moisture on the surface at all, and then apply some wax after, you'll then successfully have maintained and looked after your antique without causing any damage to the finish itself. In summary, don't take too many chemicals to your antiques. You don't want to use even too much dishwashing liquid, because you could potentially strip the finish off any wax, etc., or make it go sticky. So if you use a mild cleaner such as the Vulpex, immediately dry it off, and then with some wax polish immediately after, you will have the antique looking like it should do. So if you've got any further questions, no matter what platform you're watching this on, leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Alternatively, send us an email on info@restorate.co.uk with some pictures of your antique or whatever you're having issues with there, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.